Good morning once again. My name is Professor Clement Igodaro from the University of Benin. So, declaring the result now. I, Professor Clement Igodaro, hereby certify that I am the returning officer of the 2025 Ovia Northeast and Ovia Southwest Federal Constituency by-election held on the 16th day of August 2025. The election was contested and the candidates received the following votes. Political Party A, 10 votes. Then we have Theophilus Ejide, male, presenting a candidate for Party AA, scored 5 votes. Then we have AAC, 18 votes. Then we have Ekpele Asemota Bridget Osaruyi, female, ADC, scored 925 votes. Igbinedion Omari Stephanie, female, ADP, scored 252 votes. Igbinedion Omosede Gabriela, female, APC, 77053 votes. APGA, 89 votes. Kayode Israel Eweka, male, APM, 59 votes. Okosu David, male, APP, 17 votes. BP, 05 votes. LP, 214 votes. NROM, 07 votes. Akpoti-Uduaghan Johnny, male, PDP, 3838 votes. PROP, 45 votes. SDP, 25 votes. YP, 06 votes. YPP, 07 votes. ZLP, 06 votes. That Igbinedion Omosede Gabriela of APC, having satisfied the requirements of the law, is hereby declared the winner and returned elected.